Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Idol's Guide to Fall, chapter 9. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Ava team. Right now, they're performing well. But the rain is still pouring hard. Now, they're singing. There are always flowers blooming, and there are always stories going on. Everyone seems to be performing well. They dance in the rain, the most beautiful ones. Well, definitely, they're all being graceful. By looking at them, even though the rain is pouring hard, they're still performing very well. Look at you, bravely, and look at our future. Wang Shu, she was really singing great. Especially everyone is looking at her. The gorgeous face, everyone was cheering for them. It's their new team, Eva. It feels like the dance is not wrong, and the singing is good. Oh, what's the use of singing and dancing, no matter what good this is? Kind of disbanding team has no soul at all. Well, it seems that everyone is cheering. Look at them. Even though other group is also cheering for them, especially it was windy. People might think that Ava team performs better tonight. Ha ha, as my face hurts, I have to take a picture of the moment when the babies are bursting. Well, everyone seems to be entranced by looking at them. I have always been by our side and never far away. Finally, the performance ends, and everyone seems to be feeling good. Look at them, the four of them are really look happy. Search briefing current newsletter update. The Ava team is number 1. Siren, mystery. The group has been talked about on the internet. Well, it seems that Ava team, their debut was really not in vain. Everyone talking about them, especially Windy and Wang Shu. The two of them are great leaders. Well, definitely, the people will expect more in the future. After the performance, everyone is discussing about the result. The response of the second open air stage was very good. At the backstage, data shows that 20% of the funds were added. The next step is to release the first MB. Spy, it's not good. Someone interrupted the meeting. Seems that this is really serious. Looking at the girl reaction, she was showing to Miss Bai. There's a new girl group who is going to debut. The demo and the MB styles they announced today are the same as ours. So there's a copycat of the girl group also. Well, that was bad. What's the matter? I heard that the paparazzi secretly photographed Heiwei and Pengjian the day of the MB shooting. Well, definitely, someone was plotting something against them. And also, there's also Xiaofang from the clothing department in the private to take a pictures of makeup to her friends to see. This, Wang Shu, she was thinking. It's troublesome. We haven't announced our styles here. We were robbed by the others party first. Just finished the open air performance. The publicity has been spread out if the MB is delayed. Excuse me, I had a thought. Wang Shu said to Sister Bai. Sister Bai, I think we should. Well, definitely, it's a big discussions for now. How to solve this case and how to revive and get back the people for them to see. Windy and Wang Shu, finally the two of them agree. Well, definitely, they're thinking something about the plan, how to solve this case. Two leaders is helping each other to promote the team. The shape is plagiarized and we need to defend our rights, which is bound to cause discussion, which is not a good thing. At the same time, we also need have more eye-catching posts. That's my suggestion of Windy. Therefore, it is better to both combine the songs and redetermine a set of style. What to overturn it again? Other girls said this workload is not very large. In this case, we only have 1 week left. In fact, there's a little idea of the idea you can discuss it with it. Again, Windy said, but of course, everyone is nodding. Well, since everyone is full of energy, I will discuss with Brother Ming and the company will do our best to cooperate with you. Sister Bai said to her, in order to prevent the modeling and songs from leaking again, after the modeling is confirmed, We use pull-in clothes shooting. Well, that was a great idea. This week requires everyone to stay in the company. Sister, what are your thoughts? Wang Shu is asking Windy. Of course, she is considering her decisions, especially right now. Team, foot in pain. In fact, when we took the first few days, I thought of it. Wang Shu jumped from the carousel with the surrounding dreamy atmosphere. Well, it seems that it was a good idea. Like wings on the back. And our song is about the story of the two different people who fell in love after they met. Oh, what a cute storyline. Of course, Wang Shu. She was always looking good with that outfit. Yes, Wang Shu, she was humming. Of course, she was agreeing. Just use that element. It seems that these two has a tacit understanding. But the other teams, look at them. What are they talking about? They're not being related. And also, they're not picking up the topic. Well, what a cute girls. A week later, everyone seems to be busy, especially the costumes. All of the team has been working hard to be able to get a proper shoot, also the best practice. Well, Goddess, did you came from the practice room? After the practice, I'll bring you a cup of coffee on the way. Well, these two, they're really close to each other, especially right now. Dasim seems to be wrong. Well, right now, she was drinking her coffee. Definitely, they've been busy working hard, practicing so much. How is the progress? The clothes has been finished. You can make and try the upper body effect, and then we can make the final adjustment on the wool. Oh, the progress is really progressing. Everyone seems to be busy, also praising each other for their good work. Everything is gonna paid off. Well, definitely. Thank you for working over the only by rushing to work. You can be successfully completed the new clothes and style. Thank you for your hard work. It's okay. It's all for everyone. Finally, the day of the shooting and also practicing. Expecting, plus nervous. Everyone seems to be focused. Everyone seems to be seeing them. It seems that everything works well. Sister Bai, she was really pleased. Said, wow. Finally, the result is really good this time. Well, let's see. It was so beautiful. Simply perfect. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!